Hello and welcome to Teachings in Education. How can teachers make a difference? Inspire your students. Many successful people have said that the best teachers they've ever had are the ones that inspired them. Teachers inspire their students by first caring for them and then building their students up, developing their students' confidence. You can always remind your students that they can be anything they want to be in life. You just have to teach them to reach for the stars. Moving on to number 2, and that is being a good role model for your students. A role model can help show students appropriate behaviors. Teacher role models are the leaders in education that do more than just teaching. Next up, number 3, be a mentor for some of your students. Find a student that is in most need of a mentor. Life has difficult choices, and research tells us mentors greatly increase a student's chance for success. Number 4, make learning fun for your students. I mean, let's be honest, some subjects are just boring. Plain and simple. But you can always find that one teacher that can bring their subject matter to life. My favorite teacher of all time was a geometry teacher. And you know why? Because he made it exciting. And today, I am teaching geometry. That's the power of a great teacher. And lastly, number 5, teachers are an important part of the community. A community is defined as the thread that brings people together. And the teacher is at the heart of the community. There's no denying it. Teachers are a productive part of society. Right now, I would like to say thank you for your time, subscribe to the channel, and please like and share this video as well.